All right, how's it going, YouTube? So, quick update. I did grab a Bandit. So this is gonna be the Street Eliminator build. So right now I need to get a LCG chassis. Just gonna show y'all how this came. It does run. Came with a remote, ready to run and everything. Only thing I had to put in was a battery. Has a brush system in there. We gotta show y'all that. I think that's a 12 turn. Yep. The XL5. Came with a receiver, and that's the build. So we're going. I'm gonna probably run it on this, just to run it stock, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, I changed the ESC. It's gonna be a 2S1, still brush. Wide open. Got some range, probably use the same Traxxas remote. I brought a 3S too. Try it on 3S. Let me go ahead and put it on 3S. Alright, Charles, on 3S now. Still brushed. See what she do off the line. That thing moving nice and straight. This ain't no TQI either. Thing moving for brush. What's that, like 2S? This 3S. Thing eating. Oh yeah, I smell that motor. Alright, y'all. Back to the bench. Alright, YouTube. So give you guys a quick update. This is after the run. Did pretty good on that brush system. So I'm gonna start dismantling. I already started upgrading the shocks. I need to just drop it a little bit lower. Gotta order the LCG chassis. Need to order the tires. I think I'm gonna stay with these for the front for now, but I'm gonna order the rear slicks. We need to throw a ESC and a brushless motor. I got one. I think I'm gonna use not that one. Let's try probably this one. Try a little 57 in there. If not, I got a few. I also got a motor with this car. 13.5 turn censored motor. No vac racing. It's some good motors, so I don't know. We'll see. Do want a censored ESC for this, and then we'll go from there. But this is how the build gonna start. Changing the shocks. I'll get the LCG. I already got the body. Start playing with some gear and get the slicks and go from there. It's not a bad rig. It came pretty nice, so I'm gonna save all this other stuff. Probably still make a Bandit one day. So y'all stay tuned for that. Anyway, y'all stay tuned for this build to come. Order some parts and then we'll get it back up there.